Okay, so I have my binder clip in place, which is attaching my positive and my negative terminals of my battery together. Right now I have a break in my circuit right here, all along this edge. There isn't any sort of connection going on right here. When I first wired this up, I wired it incorrectly and I like that with the paper circuit. And I actually had these strips coming over, which made a circuit all the way around, but it didn't light up the bulbs, and it took me a minute, and as you can see, I've ripped them all off. I used a little X-Acto knife and cut them down. Not every blob of solder has an LED attached to it, but I did put them on some, and I used solder where my pieces of copper tape came together to make that connection. And I haven't soldered in a long time, not since college, I don't think. Maybe a little since then, but it's been a long time. So it took me a little while. I burned myself a couple times, but not bad. So anyway, this is how this works. When I fold this over, we're going to have a connection here with this for having electricity flow through here. There's going to be a connection here, and then as I run it across, I'm going to get a connection here, which is going to run up and complete this first circuit and light this bulb. And then I'm going to slide my finger down, and it's going to touch this this piece of copper here, which is going to complete this circuit here. So I'm going to, run my thumb down. It's touching the first one, completing that circuit. Now it's completing that circuit. Now it's completing that circuit. I also wanted to test out all the different colored LEDs I have. Now it's completing that circuit. And now it's completing that circuit. That one actually is two blues and a green, but it's kind of hard to tell the difference. So, and I also have different size LEDs on here. I have the teeny tiny ones, which I can't even pick up with my fingers, and I have slightly larger ones. I need the tweezers to pick up those teeny tinies and solder them on. And these ones I had to twist the wires into this really nice configuration so that I could get them so the wires didn't just stick off randomly. So here it is again one more time. There's the connection. And there are my lights.